2026 ZIL 130 truck stands as a testament to Russian engineering, combining legendary durability with modern improvements that make it relevant for today's heavy-duty work. Originally introduced decades ago, the ZIL 130 has retained its core design philosophy, which emphasizes simplicity, reliability, and unmatched utility. The latest 2026 version carries forward this legacy while integrating key updates that enhance performance, comfort, and practicality. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 ZIL 130 maintains the classic Russian truck silhouette, which is instantly recognizable. The front fascia features a prominent grille, robust bumper, and square, fully modernized LED headlights, giving it a commanding road presence. Despite the upgrades, the truck preserves its utilitarian roots, designed to handle harsh conditions across different terrains. Its bodywork combines strength and functionality, with reinforced panels and corrosion-resistant coatings to endure extreme climates and heavy use. The cargo bed is generous in size, ideal for both commercial and agricultural applications. With a strong load capacity and durable materials, this truck is engineered to handle intensive day-to-day tasks without compromise. Moving inside, the 2026 ZIL 130's cabin blends rugged simplicity with a touch of modern convenience. Seating is spacious, supportive, and designed for long hours of driving without causing fatigue. The dashboard retains its classic layout, but is upgraded with digital instrumentation that provides clear, precise information at a glance. Controls are tactile and logically arranged, making operation intuitive even for first-time users. The cabin also benefits from modern HVAC systems, offering better climate control than previous models, ensuring comfort during harsh weather conditions. Storage compartments are ample, allowing drivers to keep tools and personal items organized, which is crucial for work-focused vehicles like this. Under the hood, the 2026 ZIL 130 continues to impress with its legendary engine. The updated powertrain delivers a balance of reliability, torque, and efficiency. The engine is engineered for longevity, capable of enduring heavy loads and continuous operation in tough environments. It delivers consistent power, making it suitable for both on-road and off-road applications. Fuel efficiency has been improved over previous generations without compromising strength, and the truck's robust suspension system ensures stability even when fully loaded. Driving the ZIL 130 is a straightforward experience, with mechanical precision and durability that drivers have trusted for decades. When it comes to handling, the ZIL 130 is built to be predictable and reliable. Steering feedback is direct, and the truck maintains composure on uneven terrain. The suspension absorbs bumps effectively, ensuring cargo remains secure and passengers are not subjected to excessive jolts. Its braking system is upgraded for 2026, providing improved stopping power, which is essential for a vehicle of this size and weight. The 2026 ZIL 130 also benefits from modern safety features, including reinforced cabin structures and updated lighting systems, ensuring better visibility and accident prevention in low-light conditions. Performance is where the ZIL 130 truly shines. It excels in hauling, towing, and navigating challenging landscapes. The truck's drivetrain is engineered for durability, allowing operators to carry heavy loads over long distances without mechanical strain. Its torque delivery is impressive, ensuring that the truck can move efficiently even under maximum payload. Acceleration may not match high-performance pickups, but that is never the focus of the ZIL 130. Instead, the emphasis is on reliability, endurance, and consistent performance under demanding conditions. This makes it a favorite among industries that require dependable transport for both goods and equipment. The 2026 ZIL 130 also showcases versatility. Beyond its traditional role as a workhorse, it can serve in construction, agriculture, and even emergency services. The truck's rugged design allows it to traverse mud, snow, and unpaved roads with ease, while the reinforced chassis ensures structural integrity. Optional modifications, such as reinforced cargo beds, towing packages, and specialized attachments, expand its usability even further. This adaptability is one of the reasons the ZIL 130 has maintained a loyal following across generations and geographic regions. In terms of technology, the 2026 model strikes a balance between modern features and classic functionality. While it does not adopt excessive digital interfaces, it includes essential updates like advanced lighting, reliable instrument clusters, and optional connectivity features for fleet management. The simplicity of its systems ensures minimal maintenance issues, a hallmark of ZIL trucks throughout history. Mechanics and drivers alike appreciate the fact that this vehicle can be repaired quickly and efficiently, even in remote locations without specialized equipment. Overall, the 2026 ZIL 130 truck is a remarkable fusion of heritage and modern engineering. It preserves the legendary Russian toughness that made its predecessors iconic, while integrating updates that improve comfort, safety, and efficiency. Whether for heavy-duty commercial work, off-road challenges, or utilitarian transport, this truck delivers unmatched reliability. Its design, powertrain, and versatility make it an enduring choice for those who value function over flash, and it continues to uphold the reputation that the ZIL brand has earned over decades. In conclusion, the 2026 ZIL 130 is more than just a truck. It is a symbol of enduring Russian engineering. Its combination of rugged exterior, comfortable and practical interior, durable powertrain, and versatile performance ensures that it remains a top contender in the heavy-duty pickup truck segment. For anyone seeking a vehicle that blends historical legacy with modern enhancements, the ZIL 130 is an excellent choice, promising years of dependable service and unwavering performance in any environment.